Hello, welcome back to Excel 2016. In this part of the lesson, I'm going to show you how to use some text functions or features, as the case may be. Now, what I want to show you here is how to combine data that have been separated by the use of a form. Let's say, for example, you are a teacher and you'll be given forms containing names, and they are all the names and the other data are in different sections of the form, separated by rows and columns and things like that. Now you want to analyze this data, maybe bring them to Excel or any other software for analysis, but you want them together. You don't want them separated in different columns as these last name and first names are. So what you want to do is to use a feature under the formula tab. You go to the test command drop down and click on concat. Concat is the name that you want to, is the function that you want to use. Another word is another word for it is concatenate, but it's so much easier to call it concat. So if I click on this now it's going to ask me where is the text that I want to move over to this cell here. So the text, first one is Mario C5, and the second one would be because I want to actually, let me show you what I mean. The second one will be IV, but if you look down here under the formula result, it says Mario IV all together, one word. That's not what I want. I want the names to be separated by space, as it should be. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the quotation mark, leave a space, open quotation, and then close the quotation after the space. And then under text 3, now I'm going to type in the word IV. So first name and last name. Alright, so let's click OK and see what happens here. So here we go. Now we have first name Mario and last name Ivy. Mario Ivy. So the good news about this is that we don't have to do this for all the other names. We can use autofill to fill out the rest, but just for the sake of clarity, let's do one more. So again, we click on the cell we want the name to be, and then we go to the formula tab under the test command and find the word concat. Click on that, and now it's going to ask us where's the test that we're trying to bring over. So let's start with the first name. The first name here is in C6. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to make sure we have a space there between the first name and the last name, and we use the open quotation mark, space, close quotation mark. And on test 3, that's when we bring in the last name, which is in B6. If we click OK now, we have a Tacho Sam as the name here. So now let's autofill this. Now that we'll get a better handle of it, and then we have all the names, the first and the last name together in the same column, which is a bit more analyzable than what you have when they are separated by columns and rows in forms. Okay, so that's good. You want to play more with that, but let's move on. Now what we want to do is to use another test function that separates compound words. For example, we have this three-word compound word, notwithstanding. Excel gives you the opportunity to be able to separate these words into left, middle, and right columns. or rows, as the case may be. So in order to do that, we're going to use simple functions under the test command. Now, if I click on, again, I have to go back to the Formulas tab and click on the test command. Let's start with the left. If I click on the left, now it's going to ask me, where is the test that I'm trying to separate? The test that I'm trying to separate. This is the test that I'm trying to separate right here. This notwithstanding. Where is it? It's in I8, I believe. So if we click on that, it's in I8. And then, what number of characters in this test do I want to go to the left? So if I click here now, I have to count 1, 2, 3. So there are 3, starting from the left, there are 3 characters that I want to go to the left, not. So if I click on here, I have to type 3. So as you can see in the formula result, it tells me not. So okay. Alright, so now I have to do the middle. Again, we'll go back to the Formulas tab, click on the test command and find mid. If I click on that, again, where is the test? I8 is the test. Starting from where? This is where this is a little bit different. Starting from number 4. Starting from number 4 here, because number 4. We're looking for the word width now. So width start from number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to say here, the W is number 4 in the number of strings of characters. So I'm going to say here 4. And then the total number of characters is 4. So the word here is width. So formula result width is okay. And then the last thing to do here is to get the rightmost part of the word, which is standing. So now again, if I click on this cell here where I want the word to be, I go to the Formulas tab and then I click on the drop down on the test command and I look for right. Again, where is the test? The test is in I8. What number of characters? This time from the right. Let's see what it says here. Specifies how many characters you want to extract. 1 if omitted. Now, so the number of characters to extract here is what constitutes the word standing. So from the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number of characters is 8. And you can see the word here, standing. Okay. So that is how to use some of these test functions. There's so many other things that you can do here that I'll encourage you to play with on your own. You can, for example, change text to uppercase or lowercase, or you can search for text and just play with these things a little bit. It's easier when you play with them to become familiar with the features. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.